Hello everyone. Daily use sentences. I am operating my computer. I am operating my computer. Next is she is talking with her friend. Next is the girl is reading a story book. Next sentence is she is washing her hands. Next is the horses are running in the forest. Next, the girl is jogging in the morning. Next is she is having hot tea. Next is the kids are watching a movie. Next sentence is the girls are drinking fresh water. Next sentence is they are cooking the food. Next is the girl is licking an ice cream. Next is the baby girl is eating watermelon. Next sentence is my sister is ironing the clothes. Next is the tailor is stitching a shirt. Next is my mother is cutting an onion. Next is the woman is kneading dough. Thanks for watching.